Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm going to be showing you how you can build a website that looks like this. So, step number one, you need to visit this website. Of course, I have the link in the description. Just click there, and you will be taken to this platform that is called Strikingly. And you just create an account using your details. Now, once you have set up an account and you're logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Now, this gives you access to all of Strikingly's features. You can add a custom domain name, you can set up a custom email address, you can set up your audience. Click on create a new site. You will be taken to a library of pre-made websites here. Select one of these, we're gonna go with this one, and click on start editing. Now, before you do anything else, I would like you to go to the settings button right over here as soon as you're in the editing mode and start making changes to the crucial details that is the identity of your business. Now, to add a new service, you can click on add event type. You fill out the name of the service. You fill in the description or explain what this service offers. And then you select whether you're going to be offering the service one-on-one basis, or you can have multiple attendees. Like this service is going to be one service per booking, so I'm going to go with one-on-one. If you have a specific location about the service, you can update that, but I'm going to leave that open, and then it will be 1 hour. I'm going to be offering this service through the week. If you want to plan ahead of time, like if there's a holiday coming up and you want to set up a different time slot for that, you can do it by adding the date. In my case, I'm just going to leave it right there, and then we're going to change the image. It gives you its own library where you can search for the image. I'm just going to search for the service name, and I'm going to select this one, and we're good. We're going to move to the next section, which is audience, and this gives you a complete overview of what has been happening with your website. So it gives you full audience. That means you will see all the visitors, all the countries they're visiting your website from, and all the forms like contact form, newsletter, subscription. So every single booking that is being completed on the website will appear right over here. Now, promotions is the next option available. Once you go in there, you will see pop-ups. So here you can pretty much set up different kind of pop-ups on your website. Now, the next section we have is analytics. It gives you insight about the website visitor. You will see all the live information, how many visitors you have right now, and what's the trend. You will see right over here the traffic sources, the devices they've been using to visit the website, and countries, regions, everything. Now, once you're in the setting, you can set up your custom domain name, which I definitely recommend. And this right here lets you connect really easily. However, if you're going with the free plan, you can customize your URL. So click right here and let's change Joey Lawn Care. Okay, so now we're gonna update our basic information about the website. You click on basic info, you change the website name, you select a category, site description, and you change the logos. Now here we're gonna set up our payments for the website. You click on accept payments, you set up whichever the platform you're already signed up, or you have the ID available. I have my PayPal, so I'm gonna use that. So now let's start editing the website. Once you're done with the setting, you just want to click on back to site design, and it will take you back to your website homepage. Now, I just want to change this text, and I'm gonna change this image right here. I think the rest looks okay. So if you want to make your website a little more customized and you want to change the logo, you have a custom logo. I have one for this, so I'm going to use uploaded images and I'm going to use this as my logo. Now, you want to make sure that you have the service that you created in the previous step listed on your landing page. Now, if you don't see it, it already comes with the design. You select, but if it's not there for some reason, you can add a new section and select booking from right here. I don't want to use this section right here. I want to move it a little up. So yeah. Now, once you have done that, you're ready to publish the website and make it online. So I'm going to click publish and I'm going to click just publish the free site. And that's the URL that we did. That's good. Title is good. And the website is now published. Now you can visit the website by clicking on the link. There we go. We got our website. One more feature that comes with your plan with Strikingly is that the email that you're going to use to sign up for the account, it's automatically going to be used to send you information about any incoming leads or forms that has been filled up on the website. If someone has booked an appointment, it will show up on that same email that you're going to use to sign up for Strikingly.